Aaron Ratzan. I'm from East Brunswick, New Jersey. My various medical injuries that have affected my life, I'll go top to bottom. Herniated discs, meniscus tear in my knee, venous insufficiency in my legs, and plantar fasciitis in my feet. So there's quite a list of things why I came to Alliance. I have tried other clinics. For probably most of my adult life, I've been in and out of different physical therapy places. I counted at least 4, maybe even 5, before I found Alliance, and to be completely honest, Alliance is the only one that has fixed the problem.
When we saw Aaron and he complained about those symptoms, we got him a vein ultrasound in the office to test for chronic venous insufficiency. And chronic venous insufficiency is essentially widening of the veins and malfunctioning of the valves that causes reflux within the veins, where instead of all the blood flowing up, some of it actually comes back down.
I faced a lot of challenges in terms of just honestly basic movement. Walking for more than a half a mile, my back would really start to hurt. The plantar fasciitis meant I couldn't jog anymore, I couldn't exercise, I gained a lot of weight because I just couldn't do the things I had done before. Before all of these various injuries, I would love to jog. I ran 5Ks, I would do mud runs, I would actually worked at a circus school learning various acrobatic things, but then the herniated discs kind of killed that. So Dr. Saymeh realized that there was a little bit more going on than just plantar fasciitis, and that A was chronic and surgery was eventually an option. He went through all the different things first and then explained to me all the surgical options. Also discovered that I had something called venous insufficiency in my legs, which means none of the blood was getting to certain muscles, which were causing cramps and pain and weakness, and all of that has been fixed now. So the fact that he actually investigated and looked a little bit deeper and didn't just say, oh, okay, let's shoot you with a needle and go away, I really appreciate that.
After some conservative treatments that didn't work, such as compression stockings and some therapy, we decided to move forward with something called a vein ablation for Aaron. And what a vein ablation is, it's a minimally invasive procedure that closes down a segment of the vein that's no longer functioning properly. And it's a minimally invasive procedure that doesn't require a stitch, it doesn't require any recovery time, which is great for Aaron. And it gets rid of all those symptoms while improving the blood flow in his legs and allowing him to be more active in his lifestyle.
Yeah, and he was able to get the procedure done, and he was able to get back to work pretty much right away, and he felt great.
The treatments have made me feel a lot better. I mean, that's the simplest way of putting it. There's a lot less pain. I could walk a lot more. I can go hiking without pain. As soon as I get this boot off, I'm going to start exercising again. It's improved my mood. It's improved how I go to work and what I do on the weekends. I mean, it's honestly improved my life. I'm looking forward to getting back to exercise. I'm looking forward to going on vacation and walking a lot and going hiking. I'm going to buy a bike when the weather gets nice. I'm going to go biking and just losing weight, getting back to it, getting back to who I was before everything broke. And that's what I'm really looking forward to. I would like to thank every doctor I worked with, every PT person I worked with, Mike, Ayushi, Jen, Rocky, Gina, Dr. Harrington, Dr. Cho, Dr. Saymeh, Dr. Rajaram, for helping, for listening, for seeing the problem and not just the symptoms, and just working with me and fixing me. My favorite part about coming to Alliance, honestly, is walking in, because everybody greets you by name. They're smiling, they're happy to see you. I know if I have questions about insurance, which I'm probably going to have, they're going to help me. I'm going to get all that stuff out of the way. Then I'm going to walk into the PT area, and they're going to greet me by name, and they're going to joke around, and they're happy, and they're smiling. And it's a good place to be. It's fun, it's challenging, but it's also a lot of fun, and there's really, really good people here. I would say to people who are watching this, don't wait. Have somebody check it out. If you have the insurance and you have the ability, get it looked at, because you're not going to get younger. Things can break when you least expect it. Get the treatment now and take care of it before it becomes a huge problem. Final thoughts? Alliance is just a really, really great place to be. It's kind of a one-stop shop for a lot of different things, which is really super convenient, and I'm just really glad I found them.